Hello, my name is Emma. I want to rent your apartment.
Hello, Emma. The apartment is available.
Can I see the apartment tomorrow?
Yes. Please come at 2 o'clock.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome. Please come inside.
This apartment looks very nice.
It was cleaned last week. This room has a bed and a desk.
I like this room very much. Can I hang some pictures here?
Yes, but please do not damage the walls.
The bathroom is very clean.
Everything works very well.
Is this the laundry room?
Yes, everyone can use it. The kitchen has everything you need.
Is there a dishwasher?
Yes, it is next to the sink.
Are the water and trash included?
Yes, you only pay for electricity and gas.
Can my parents visit me?
Yes, guests are welcome.
Can I have a small party?
Yes, but please keep it quiet.
How much is the rent?
The rent is $850 a month.
Do I need a security deposit?
Yes, the deposit is 1 month's rent.
I will rent this apartment. Thank you.